Hello guys, welcome back to brand new video of Gtronics and I am Gautam. So today we are going to design this graphic designer business card or whatever, just a business card for you. So this video may be a bit long just because I have explained everything, why you need to place that element on that place and how to balance the design and how to maintain the consistency of the business card. So I would appreciate it if you can watch the whole video without skipping. After designing your business card with the help of this tutorial, if you post it on Instagram, please send the post or tag me on Instagram. My user ID is Gautam Gtronics. You can follow me there and please tag to the post so I can story reshare your post and give a small shout out. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now let's delete the default text in Pixellab. And business cards have a general size of width 1050 and height 600. Now I am going to set blue color as the background color of this business card. Next I will import an wave type of texture. You can download the same texture from the link given in the description and let's lock it for now. And now I am going to add the Gtronics text as you saw in the thumbnail or the previous part of the video. So now I am going to select a font called InterUI which good looks for the Gtronics text. You can use any font which suits for your logo or brandings. Now I am decreasing the space between the letters because it looks good for my branding. And now let's place it on the top right side as you can see on the screen. And the word Gtronics is splitted into GTRO around that, and I will make a copy of the same text and place it on the left bottom corner just to balance the design. When we balance the design, automatically everything starts to look good. Now I will make very slight adjustments. You can play with these on your business card design. Now I will add a new text and change it with graphic designer. Graphic on the first line and designer on the second line, just as you can see on the screen. And now I am going to use the same font which I have used for the Gtronics text because it keeps the symmetry and it looks good overall. And now I am going to decrease the spacing as usual. And a bit line spacing also. Now I will place the graphic designer text on the top left side of the business card, front side of the business card. Let me change the font style from bold to black. And you can take some time to play around with this positioning, but you have to balance the whole design of the business card. And another great feature of Pixellab is you can use grids and set it to the position where you want. Just like this. You can align the text and it will very easy to balance the design in Pixellab. So try using grids and experiment with it. Now again, to balance the design of the business card, I am going to add a circle shape on the right bottom side as all the other sides are already filled. Now you can place it anywhere. Just try to make the business card look good. Okay, now it is looking good for me. I will save the project first and now save the image. Now you can either continue from this or open up the same project that you have just saved. I will open the project and now let's delete or clear out everything that is on the screen. All the logos and the wave texture, everything. Now I will change the color to white. Now this is the main part of the business card where your name, your details, your mobile number, all the details will be there. So first I will start by typing my name. And now I am using the same fonts and same color just to maintain the consistency of the design. Whenever a person sees your business card, they must recognize your name first. So I am keeping it bold and big in the overall size. Now I will add the text, the same graphic designer text, and I will decrease the size and everything, and there may be opacity also. And I will change the font to Inter UI regular or medium, you can use anything. And let's place it below my name so people can first read my name and then they can read the word graphic designer. Again I am using the grids to align it properly. And let's decrease the opacity a bit, something around this. Yes, you can make a professional and perfect looking business card in Pixellab only, but it takes time, like placing the elements and other things. I am just leaving it for now. You can continue or work out on your business card. Now I will add a shape and I will use the same color blue as I was using it for my business card. And another great trick is most of the people don't remember our names, so they will remember the logos or the watermark, wordmark. They will remember the symbols especially. So I will use that my G logo on that rectangle. Now I will copy the same rectangle and I will place like in the straight line below. On the upper side of the rectangle I will add my G logo there. As I said, you can play with this all day to make it perfect, but just for the tutorial purpose I will roughly place it somewhere like it is looking big, I think. Let me just decrease the size a little bit. And now it is looking good. Now I will just move a little bit. Now let's lock it. I am not going to touch it anymore. Now let's make a copy of my name and I will edit the text to Gtronics and I will change the color to white so that I can place it on the half of the rectangle or the small portion of the rectangle which we have placed earlier. And now let's start by adding our mobile number. You can just copy the name or the graphic designer text which we have created earlier, because it has all the settings like the color, font style have set it already. Just let me enter a dummy name here. Mobile number. And now I will place the mobile number around here, and the space on the left side there I will put the call or landline icon, whatever it is. And after mobile number I will add my Gmail address or the email address, anything which they can contact me through their mail addresses, whatever it is. And now let's copy again to add my portfolio on the Dribbble account. And now let's import the icons, the call icon. You can set the size like which I am showing on the screen, and again you can download all these icons, maybe 3 I think, the call and the email ID and the Dribbble icon from the link I have provided in the description. You can download them all for free. To align it into the straight line, just go to relative position and press that button. It will move to the full end of the screen. Now you can select all the 3 icons from there and move it. Yes, something like that. I am saying it again, you can play with these to make them look perfect and professional. Everything will take time, so I am skipping, or I will make the rough adjustments. Now they are looking, so let's merge them all. Yes. Pixel, what the? Sorry again, my Pixel Lab has crashed unfortunately. So rather merging them all at once, then I will merge all 3 mobile number, email ID and the Dribbble. Now I will take both 2 and merge it again, so Pixel Lab won't crash again. So that's the reason. So I will place it around like there. The main part of the business card design looks balanced, but you can see some white space on the left bottom side, so I will add my location there. I am living in Karnataka, India, so I will add Karnataka and India. And I will place it just around that, like that. And now I will select all the elements which are on the right side, and I will make slight adjustments on them. You can try experiment these things to make it perfect, and maybe you should have added that wave texture here also. I don't know, but I haven't tried that. And now let's save the project again. I think the video was helpful to you. If it was, please feel free to like the video and share it with your friends. If you haven't already a subscriber of my channel, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so you will get notified whenever I upload a new awesome tutorial just like this one. Thank you for watching. My name is Gautam and this is Gtronics. I'll catch you guys in the next one.